In this video, I will show you how to set up a process template for your organization with individual phases for your monthly sales and operations planning process. In every phase, you can define important aspects such as timelines, participants, and tasks to be completed. You'll see how to automate your process and assign application jobs. For this example, you will see how to create process with 4 steps: demand review, supply review, reconciliation review, and management business review. Now, here we are in the SAP Fiori Launchpad. First of all, I recommend you to create as much user groups as you need to assign the different tasks for your planning process. Then, let's open the Manage Process Templates and create a new one. Let's assign a name, owners, and a time zone. In this case, I'm going to put let's select an owner. Let's copy the description, select the time zone. And let's choose the work days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's it. Now let's create the steps. Let's select a new one, the name, the demand planning, select the owners, the user groups. Here you will see the user that you just created. Let's select a reviewer. Let's put a duration days of 5. The condition for the automatic start on the start date. And then let's change the start time. In this case, 8 a.m. Okay. The condition for the automatic end: custom on the end date when the tasks are completed, and at least one of the conditions above is satisfied. That's it. Okay. Now let's set up the different tasks. Let's create the first one. Product review. Okay, the next one. The same group. Apply. The next one. I'm going to use the same group of the demand planning. Apply. The next one. And the final one. That's it. Let's create the next step. New. The user groups. In this case, I'm going to use the supply planning group. Duration day of 5. Six. Reviewers, and let's put the condition for automatic start when previous step is complete. That's it. And the condition For the automatic end, the same on the end date when tasks are completed, and at least one of the conditions above is satisfied. Okay, let's scroll down and create the two tasks that we have for this process: user group, supply planning, apply, the next. Okay, now review the alerts. Let's assign to the users group, and that's it. Now we have two different steps. Let's create a new one. Okay, name, the description. Let's assign owners. Reconciliation review. Let's take off that one. Now relative start date 11 5 reviewers, the conditions when previous step is complete, that it's the supply planning, and the condition for the automatic end at the end when tasks are completed, at least one conditions. And scroll down. Now let's create the task, new. Okay, new task. Review dashboards, the reconciliation review, the following one. Create what if scenarios, the reconciliation review, and the last new one. Prepare the information for the management review. And the same reconciliation review, apply, and that's it. Now we have three different steps. Let's create the last one. Let's put the name, business management review. Let's put the owners, user group, management review. The day 16. This also, we have 5 days to execute, and condition when the previous step is completed, that is the reconciliation review, and custom when completed, apply. Let's scroll down and let's put just one task. And let's put it the same, but it's just the final meeting, the sales and operation meeting for the management review, user group, apply, and that's it. Now let's save. Here we have our sales and operation planning process with 4 different steps. Now let's go back home to create a recurring process. Let's go to the general planner group. Here we can find the managed recurring process. Let's create a new one, sales and operations planning. Let's change the name of this process. This is gonna be the sales and operation planning for 2023. Let's repeat every month. Let's put for the complete year first. Okay, let's see. Here we have the 12 months. Let's go to January. Here we have January, and we can see the different steps of the process and the dates that we are going to execute every step of our sales and operation planning process. If we are fine with this information, we just create, and that's it. Now we have the recruiting process for the sales and operation planning. After this, you have the option, if you have implemented the SAP work zone, you can create the groups of collaboration and send the invitations to execute every task of this sales and operation planning process. But well, for now, let's go home and finish this process. And well, that's the way that we set up the sales and operation planning process here in SAP IBP. And thank you for watching.